My question to Tushar sir here. Sir Tushar, please tell me, how do you see that in today's world we are often repeating the mistakes which were already in the past? How can we overcome this particular part and to be a better human beings for the future?
Okay. So first of all, very good evening all of you. I am from S09 batch, currently working at IBM as a technology branches specialist. And these questions with regards to how societies and the corporates are repeating the mistakes.
Yes, yes.
And what they wanted to learn it. Okay. What I've seen in my personal as well as professional life, working on multiple corporate accounts, specifically into manufacturing as well as into the FSI industry. I have seen sometimes these companies are very reluctant to adopt the new technology. There are multiple factors which are actually affecting, and they are keep repeating those kind of issue. I will give few parameters. The few parameters like they actually resistance to the change. So if you look at the current era, the era of AI, new gen AI, right? So all the companies, they are looking to migrate from capex to the opex one. They don't want to invest at a time. They wanted to pay whenever there is a requirement for the particular services. But there are few industries who actually resist that kind of change. They wanted to continue the legacy system, due to which there will be the problem on the performance of overall infrastructure. You might have seen multiple news over the social media as well as in the newspaper that specifically FSI industry, some cooperative banks, public sector banks or private sector banks, they have gone through certain cyber security threat, right? It doesn't mean by that they have not followed the SOP or the compliance policy. Because whenever it requires, they have not followed that particular compliance and they are resisted for that change. The next one is that the poor, I can say the transfer of the earlier experience. Say about there is a person who is working at so and so position, but whenever he is moving out of that industry, once again I will take the manufacturing industry and the FSI industry because I have seen this is happening continuously, particularly with respect to both the industry. The transfer of knowledge or the documentation is not happening in the expected way. That the reason the person who is joining at the same position, he will be starting at fresh. He will not be aware about the last challenges which the respective person has faced during that particular role. That the reason the task which was supposed to complete in XYZ committed timeline, that may take plus, right? That too there will be multiple errors. The next one is that there is always lack of taking the advanced innovation task. So I have seen that center of excellency, right? So if you look at in all the IT industry as well as in startups, I have seen also in FSI industry, so center of excellence, that is COE, we can say that there is a separate department. They actually look after for the new innovation. So that's what lagging in few of the industry because of the way they are doing it. They feel that if we are going up with the new gen AI based, the automation based, I won't be the relevant. My relevance will not be there in that industry. So they face that his role will not be there, and new person will come and he will take that role. The lack of skill set, that is another key factor. So I feel that specifically for this manufacturing and FSI industry, they have to adopt the new gen AI based, which is along with the compliance regulated by RBI or the respective segment authority. They have to go and they should follow that, so that the same mistake will not get followed, and the management expectation towards ROI or getting better business, it will be happening continuously. So that's all. Thank you.